Najua wengi wenu mligrab the Black Friday vouchers ready to shop. Na swali imekuwa, how do we use these vouchers to save big on the Kilimall app? On this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to redeem a voucher on the Kilimall app. So first thing, you just need to open your Kilimall app, just like that. And on the home page, kuna mahali utaona imeandikwa 350 Kenyan shillings free. You just tap on that so that you can be able to enter to your voucher center. Ukishaingia kwa voucher center yako, you can grab 350 Kenyan shillings voucher yenye unapata ya kwanza pale kama 200 bob platform voucher, 100 bob platform voucher ama 50 bob shipping fee. Unakuja unazicollect. Na guys, vouchers si hizi peke yake. You can also get a store vouchers because kwa voucher center you'll get a lot of store vouchers, category vouchers and so on. The moment you grab your voucher, unakuja kwa my vouchers. Hapo ndo utapata all the vouchers zako zenye umegrab. And now this is where you get to use your voucher. You just tap on use now, ndo ikupeleke kwa the store kama it's a store voucher. Kama ni platform voucher, ikupeleke kwa app. You get to select an item that you want. In this case, tumechagua to use a store voucher na imetupeleka kwa store. Una scroll tu naona the items pale kwa store, then you choose an item you want. For example, for me, let's say I want this men's perfume. I'll just tap on the perfume, alafu I proceed to order. So una tap order now, alafu ukikuja hapa okay, utaona mahali vouchers zako ziko and you can be able to select the vouchers that are available. Ukikuja hapa now you can be able to use our 10 shillings off na uchague your shipping voucher ya 50 shillings, then you confirm. Once you confirm, pia unaona kuna coins to be redeemed. You can also redeem the coins pale so that you can be able to save big as well. And that's not all. Usisahau kuingia kwa voucher center each and every Friday cause tutakuwa na 200 Kenyan shillings platform voucher yenye ni no limit that you'll be able to grab and shop more for less.